Hi everyone, I myself Divakar Pandey from KUNTI Modern English School, NAWADA. And today I am going to provide you the fourth video of Chapter 2 Geography Inside Our Earth, which belongs to Class 7. In my previous third video, I have already discussed you about igneous rocks, and I have also discussed you that igneous rocks are also of two types, intrusive and extrusive. And now I am going to discuss you about sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. First of all, we come to the word sedimentary. Sedimentary is a Latin word which means settle down. It means in a deposition form at a place. So now we come to the definition of sedimentary rocks. First of all, before knowing and before following the definition, you will have to follow the nature of rocks. Do you know? Rocks roll down. Rocks roll down, it is the nature of rocks. And crack, it means it is also the nature of rock. So the nature of rock is to roll down, crack and hit each other. After rolling down, after cracking and after hitting each other, these are broken down into a small fragments that are called sedimentary. So like this, when the rocks roll down, crack and they hit each other, and after breaking down in a small fragment, when these fragments, it means sedimentary, are deposited or transformed by wind, by water, and the deposition of this sedimentary is called a sedimentary rock. It means, in other words, we can say that a type of rock formed by the deposition and hardening of layers of sediments is known as sedimentary rock. For example, if we can say, yes, limestone, sandstone, like this silt and a stone, other like as conglomerate, these are the examples of sedimentary rocks. Do you know? This is the first feature. And second feature of sedimentary rocks are that sedimentary rocks contain fossils of plants and microorganisms, animals like this. So these are called sedimentary rocks. In Hindi, it is also called परतदार चट्टान या अवसादी चट्टान. So now limestone, sandstone, silt and conglomerate are the example of sedimentary rocks. After the discussion of sedimentary rocks, now we come to metamorphic rocks. What are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are the changing form. Metamorphic rocks are the changing forms of igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks under a great heat and pressure. Like when we take an example, clay changes into slate. No, it means we can say that clay changes into slate and limestone changes into marble. These are called metamorphic rocks. Now quartzite, marble, slate, these are the important example of metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, it means in Hindi it is also called कायांतरित चट्टान और रूपांतरित चट्टान. So what are the examples of metamorphic rocks? Yes, we can say marble, slate, quartzite. These are metamorphic rocks. Now we come to the use. It means what is the importance of rocks? Yes, rocks are very important, that are made up of minerals. I have already discussed you that rocks are always made up of minerals, different types of minerals, and these rocks are very important in making buildings, roads, houses, and these rocks also are useful, that we use in playing different types of games like pittu. 7 stones are played in pittus. Pittu is a special kind of game. Like this Kit Kat. So these are the different types of game in which we can use these rocks. And we can say in Hindu civilization, always a soft and a smooth rocks are worshipped devotedly with a great devotion, like Lord Vishnu. It is called. So these are the important use of rocks. Now we come to rock cycles. What is rock cycles? Transforming of rocks. It means one rock to another rock. This transformation, it means the changing of one rock into another rock by a cyclic changing this process of the rocks. It means this process of the transformation of rocks are called rock cycles. It means cycles of rock. Like this, you can see the picture of your rock cycle, and we can say that this is the picture on page number 9. We can follow, after watching this picture, after looking this picture, that igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks. It means when igneous rocks are in form of molten magma, it means lava, and it cools down and it becomes solidify, it changed into, after broken down, in sedimentary rocks. And these igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change after in form of metamorphic rocks. And these fragment of metamorphic rocks also, when find or get heat or pressure, it converts into again igneous rocks. It means molten magma. And when molten magma again cools down, it can take the form of igneous rocks. So these are the cycling of rocks. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. And I have already discussed you about minerals. Like minerals are the composition of chemical bonds, and like this you have also studied. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.